Kellogg School of Management. This is where we built lifelong friendships and dared to dream bigger. Probably the most intense, most defining years of our lives. And today, 10 years later, we're coming back to relive it all one more time. There's just one thing we're hoping for, that somewhere at this reunion, we find our best friend Rancho.
भाई रूफटॉप देखा और वो स्टडी रूम्स लंच एंड लर्न के डब्बे भी अभी तक पड़े हैं Who knows, Rancho might still be collecting knowledge.
भाई मैं तो नहा रहा था, पैंट छोड़ के आया हूँ.
So you think he'll show up?
Hello, idiots.
अरे चतुर
आज TG नहीं जाओगे क्या? You had a tradition, right? 7 drinks at TG to recoup your education cost.
Where is Rancho?
बताता हूँ. पहले ये देखो. Japanese toilet by Mr. Doraemon Nobita. I have personally donated this to Kellogg Global Hub Building too. Look at my portfolio. 25% XIRR.
अबे ये सब हमें क्यों दिखा रहा है?
Hey guys, I'm HS 1Y batch of 2015.
रियूनियन में आपको भी बुलाते हैं?
तो ये सब हमें क्यों दिखा रहा है?
You guys forgot. 10 years ago, I made a bet with Rancho to see who is more successful. And I am here despite my commitments to Mr. Cash Cornelli.
Cash Connelly?
Oh, you guys don't know Cash Cornelly?
No.
All the real estate moguls are after him. His AI data centers are the next big thing.
अबे मैं यहाँ पे अपना काम छोड़ के आया हूँ राजू अपनी पैंट छोड़ के आया है और तुझे लगता है वो तेरी स्टूपिड बेट के लिए यहाँ पे आएगा?
He won't come. आज देखो मैं कहाँ हूँ और वो कहाँ पहुँच गया. मैंने बोला था ना एक दिन तुम रोंगी मैं हंसूंगा.
So you know where he is?
He's here in Evanston.
Hey you, why are you so excited?
प्रोफेसर सानी बहुत सुना है केलॉग के बारे में. एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर.
तो बताओ फिर, who is a Kellogg leader? Give me the definition.
प्रोफेसर, केलॉग लीडर इज समवन हु इज कोलैबोरेटिव, सॉल्व्स रियल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड हैज लो ईगो बट डिलीवर्स हाई इम्पैक्ट.
हाँ? मतलब?
मतलब इन द सेंस कोई भी जो रियल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे वुड नॉट रिक्रूट फॉर कंसल्टिंग बट लिसन टू हिज और हर हार्ट, solves real problem and is fascinated about creating an impact on the broader society.
अरे रीडिंग में जो डेफिनेशन है वो बताओ. Who knows the definition? Of course, yes.
Sir, a Kellogg leader may be defined as high-impact, low-ego individual who integrates analytical rigor with empathetic intelligence, while leveraging cross-functional collaboration to deliver scalable and sustainable stakeholder value. Such leaders operate at the intersection of strategy and execution, balancing innovation with inclusivity to drive transformation outcomes in complex global environment. Per se, consulting.
I think I'm even more confused now.
That is a Kellogg leader.
वाह वाह वाह. Great definition.
Thank you.
Great. Good job.
सर मैंने भी तो यही बोला था.
अच्छा, Kellogg के ब्रोशर में ये definition डालोगे? If things were that simple, why would people do an MBA?
Or maybe sir it should help people explain simple things in a simple manner.
IPCM, deduct participation points.
Sorry guys, I'm super late. Very bad hangover from last night. Hello. Rancho कहाँ पे है?
Weren't you and Rancho dating?
Were you stalking us as well?
I always keep a close eye on my competitors.
बात तो सही है. The Evanston Lakefront.
We were just walking.
You do 4th floor.
We were talking, dude. What are you talking?
What about white party then?
We were chilling together.
Zooby Dooby.
Is that what you call it?
Yeah.
देखो रील दिखाऊं मैं जो भेज.
Neha, what are you doing here? What are these clothes? Are you not ready for the consulting event?
I look fine.
Look at me. I'm wearing a Patek Philippe. This is a Giorgio Armani suit. $5,000 for this outfit. And you're wearing sneakers?
These are sports shoes though.
I don't think you're serious about this. I can't be wasting time with you. I have to send 100 more thank you emails. Better. Improve.
I told you, he has no interest in you. You should just turkey drop him.
How dare you call him Gada? Do you think that he has no interest in me?
He is a gada. Let me demo. You have a recruiting event today, right?
Yeah.
Just let me. Suhas! Suhas! We need your help here. 2 minutes.
What?
Just
I
2
don't
minutes.
have time for this.
Yeah, Suhas, we need your help. She's confused. She's double booked. She's confused between whether to attend a consulting event or a healthcare tech startup, which is one of the largest growing startups in the US.
What do you mean there's a confusion? You go to the consulting event. Do you even know the NPV of consulting?
Do you know the long-term benefit of healthcare?
No one cares. Everyone here is for MBB. What do you mean? And you're here in sneakers for a McKinsey event?
Suhas, go find someone else for your consulting roles. I'm not interested. You asshole, I'm done. How did you know about my healthcare thing?
It doesn't take a genius to realize how passionate you are about women healthcare.
गुनगुनाती हैं ये हवाएं
Zubi dooby pampara, zubi dooby parampam. Zubi dooby nache ke pagal stupid man. Zubi dooby pagal stupid man. Zubi dooby pagal stupid man.
So he just remembered your healthcare lunch and you fell for him?
It is more complicated than that, Chandra. You'll not understand. It requires emotional quotient, which you do not have.
How complicated?
I am in MD MBA, he was in 2I. And
What is MD MBA?
It is better known than MBAI. But yeah.
Anyway, Rancho has definitely ruined a lot of plans.
He did ruin mine completely. But that was the best thing that ever happened to me. जब Kellogg आया तो सब सोच रखा था. Graduate, Goldman Stanley offer, life sorted. I was too fearful of my dad, of this whole Kellogg bubble. कि बाहर जाके करूँगा क्या? But Rancho नहीं होता तो.
What do you think? Will our son like this new Finance Bro West?
Yes, but I don't understand why you had to buy Patagonia. It's too expensive for him.
Our son got an offer from Goldman Stanley TMT team. It's a day to celebrate. And you want to buy a cheap vest from Crossroads?
I don't know. I still think it's way too expensive. I think, Farhan, what are you doing here? Didn't you have your return offers party tonight?
I did, ma, but I didn't go. I don't want to do banking.
What? That Rancho got a C in basic accounting and he's advising you against banking?
No, I don't want to do banking, Abba. I don't understand banking. I will be the worst banker there is. I even use my mouse while using Excel.
And then what? Social impact? It's a negative NPV endeavor. What will you make? Pennies?
I know total comp will be less, but I'm getting a lot of exposure, Abba.
Arey hasenge log. Leaving a bonus worth millions is a joke. Liberty Saab said that you're so fortunate to get a job offer from Goldman Stanley TMT team. How will he react?
But what do you think matters, Abba? Liberty Saab? I don't even know the guy's first name.
Is this a special K audition? ये क्या ड्रामा चल रहा है?
But Abba, I do want to convince you. What if I do go for social impact? Please. I know there will be no golf, no lakefront houses, no pretending to understand mine. But I will be happy. I'll be happy in real life, not just on LinkedIn. Please, Abba. Please try to understand.
Return the Finance Bro West. Go sell it. You need the money.
I know. Come. I have something that's much better for you. Take this and you be happy, okay? You be happy. Bye-bye.
My associate, who I hired from Booth by the way, she was tracking Mr. Connelly, but she found a photo of Rancho instead.
Sure?
Ooh.
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah.
So the photo caption says Lakeville taken 2 weeks ago.
He came back?
How far is Lakeville?
12 minutes!
Let's go!
Let's go!
हर रात तुम अपने एक्सपेंसिव केलॉग मर्च पहने मेरे सपने में आती हो, घूंघट की जगह अपना कैप उतारती और मुझे किस करने मेरे पास आती हो।
Couldn't you say anything before leaving?
Sorry.
Are you married?
No, not yet.
Do you love someone?
Yes.
Who is it?
You, Neha.
अरे रैंचो, अरे फरहान, तेरे हाई की तो ऐसी की तैसी। अरे 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 बोले भाई क्या कर रहे हैं?
अबे साले
Hello, idiots. How do you do, Mr. Rancher Das Chancher? Chatur? From visionary Kellogg leader to school teacher. Seems like your inter-campus shuttle never left the global hub only, huh? Shut up, you idiot.
It hasn't changed a bit, bro.
No.
You're still the same.
Sign this Kellogg honor code. Accept your defeat.
Chalo. It's fine, bro.
Hey, what's this access card doing with you? You don't deserve this. It's for winners.
Okay, fine. Just take your honor code at least.
No! Idiots.
Hasn't changed a lot, bro. Why are you going back?
Should have gone to the school to the other side of the lake.
Anyway, what's your real name? Cash Connelly?
You are the Cash Connelly?
All real estate contractors are searching for you.
I'm not changing my name to Neha Cornelli.
Wait, you are Chatur's Cash Connelly?
Oi, Chatur!
Kiss my ass, idiot.
Call him. Stop, let me call
Mr. Cornelli, it's a pleasure you called, sir. Can we meet at the Spanish Steps?
Sorry, we won't be able to meet at Spanish Steps today.
What happened, Mr. Cornelli?
चतुर, मेरा एक्सेस कार्ड तो तू ले गई।
Mr. Cornelly?
चतुर बोल। चतुर।
Mr. Cornelly?
CMC advice है, run.
Yeah, let's go.
Mr. Cornelly?
Rancho Baba सही कहते थे. It was never about the grades or the jobs or who got the highest salary. It was about finding people who make the chaos worth it.
लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, ऑटो को करके गोल, ऑटो को करके गोल, सीटी बजा के बोल। मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा।
What? It's very tough out there. I came here to find a girl, but because of the poor gender ratio, I need to go to Chicago and, swipe endlessly or binge.
Maybe one way? No?
That Rancho got a same basic account. You are about women healthcare.
ठीक है. Take 67, 3, 2, 1, action.